Every person needs guidance, whether born again or not. Hindi exemption ng born again dito sa guidance. Huwag natin gawing passage ng pagiging born again natin. It's how you walk in the will of God. It's how you are seen by the world that reflects the character and attitude of God in you. Every person needs guidance, whether born again or not. The more you need guidance, now that you have accepted Jesus Christ as Lord and Savior, before we were born again, we sought guidance from different sources. Ano yun? Mga horoscope, mga pan-reading, mga baraha pagbaba. Di ba? Dapat karamihan nasa Quiapo Church pa. You are seeking other sources other than that. That was before. But now we are born again Christian, we need guidance also. The more we need guidance because of Satan. What he's doing, what he wants to do with us para mapalayo tayo sa Panginoon. Mabalik sa Kanya. Dahil talaga tayo taga-sanlibutan. Nung mali ang pananampalataya natin. Ngayon, dapat the oldest gun, yun ang sinasabi. The oldest gun and the newest cup.